Okay, so maybe a pattern to okay, so in your terminal, first type py-m pip install Pygame. Now that should work. And let's start. So import Pygame as PG for shorter usage. I hate this. It's PG. Oh, okay. You know what? And then type PG again. Okay. Now pg.init and width by height in all capitals for constant by 800, and then window equals to Pygame dot display dot set underscore mode size equals to, and then passing the width and while true with capital T for I in Pygame dot event get PG. If I dot type equals Pygame dot quit PG dot quit with all capitals quit then PG dot quit. Now I'm gonna create this thing called clock. Clock is equal to clock. Click the second one here. Pygame dot time dot clock. It's gonna be PG. And then we're gonna put while true, and then here we're gonna put clock dot tick FPS. And now here FPS in all capitals if you use 60. And here we're gonna put window dot fill. Window dot fill double parentheses and brackets color equals 0 255 0. This is RGB value, so it's gonna be RGB values red, green, blue. So this is a completely green. If you want a blue one, just go 0 255. Right? Now if I dot type equal if not I dot type equal Pygame dot quit. Nope, no parentheses there. Pygame dot display dot update. And if we call that function, we are done. Right? Feel free to customize all this. I'm going to put And this is how I did it before. This is how I'm doing it after. Basically the same thing. Pygame is like that. So if you want the only Pygame version, it's here. If you want the PG version, it's here. But it's just import Pygame as PG. That's the only difference. And now, if we run this, it's blue. But this one, it's green. See, it's green. But yeah, we're done. At least I hope we're done. Okay, yeah, we're done. So, you can clear this. You need double rings, and then if you want this to be like a list, you can make it a list with these bracket signs. Yeah. So basically, we're done. Well, actually no, there's no color here. No color here. I'm not carried away. Yeah, see? See you in the next video. And yeah.